welcome. If your Facebook comment section feels messy or out of order, there's a simple setting that can instantly improve what you see. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to make Facebook display the most relevant comments first when you're using it on a PC. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand into another set of options. Next, click on Settings to enter your account settings page. Now that you're inside the settings area, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down through the options until you find Followers and Public Content. Click on it to open more controls related to how your content is displayed and who can interact with it. Once you're in that section, look for the option labeled Show Most Relevant Comments first. This setting controls how comments are organized under your posts and public content. When it's turned on, Facebook will prioritize comments that are more meaningful or engaging, such as those with replies or reactions. Simply enable this option by toggling it on. Once activated, Facebook will automatically rearrange comments so that the most relevant ones appear at the top instead of just showing the newest comments first. And that's it. From now on, your comment sections should feel more organized and useful, helping you quickly spot important conversations without scrolling endlessly. Give it a try and see the difference it makes in your daily Facebook browsing.